Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look which turned out very monochromatic without any intention, but I really like how it turned out. So I did use some new eyeshadows, and these are the Marvelous Mauves by Dose of Colors. I am also wearing on my lips a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick, and I actually did a liquid lipstick winged liner as well, and I love how it looks. I need to do that more often. So yeah, I wanted to do something a little bit more different. I know I did a very bright look, and yeah, I wanted to do something using that palette and using some new glitter liner that I have. And so yeah, I really hope that you like this. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps me out. It helps my videos get seen more. And yeah, so if you would like to subscribe, if you haven't, please do so as well. And I'm going to now stop talking and we will get right into the video. I look really bad right now. My eyelashes are like, I still have eyelash glue stuck to my lashes. Like, I just ran out of my Lancome, what's it called? The eye makeup remover. And that always gets every single little bit of eyelash glue out, and waterproof eyeliner out. But I don't have any right now, so I'm just working with this. So yeah, I want to do a really pretty eyeshadow look. In my mind, it's really pretty. So let's just hope it turns out that way. And of course, I have my gigantic coffee mug, because who would I be and how would I wake up without coffee? So yeah, I always drink my coffee like out of a straw now. I don't know, I've been doing that for a few years now. It's really weird. And I've tried going back to like just sipping it, and I can't. It just doesn't taste the same to me. I don't know. Some reason I just enjoy it much more with a straw. I've also been putting almond milk. I normally buy the Coffee Mate coffee creamer that, you know, has the sugar and everything. This one has like a slight taste of sweetness, but it's not overwhelming. I like it better. I like the way that almond milk tastes in my coffee. So yeah, that's what I've been drinking in my coffee. Usually I just put it in my cold brew coffee, like the Starbucks cold brew that I buy, like half a gallon or something. I get it off of Amazon Fresh. That's how I've been ordering most of my groceries. Now, not every single thing on my grocery list, because I've noticed like there are like things I'd rather go buy at the grocery store. And yeah, so I've been buying a lot of things off of Amazon Fresh, like, you know, like water, soda, even though I shouldn't be drinking soda. But yeah, I've been buying a lot of things off of there. And what else do I buy off of? Oh, I like to buy bread off of there too, like bagels. I love the bagels, the mini bagels. Yeah, there's always going to be things that I prefer to go to the grocery store for, but I don't know, I feel like home delivery services have become a thing now. Like, even grocery shopping, like, I do Amazon Fresh, and one of my nieces does like Walmart and Safeway type of thing. And yeah, I like having my groceries delivered to me. Plus, they bring them in like perfect condition. Like they pack all your cold stuff with like even cold packs in there, like dry ice, and like this like weird bag that's like I don't know, has like insulation or whatever. I don't know, but yeah, I really like the way that they bring me my groceries, and it is like a monthly subscription. It is a monthly subscription, you know, it is $14.99 a month, and you have to like include a tip every time that they deliver to your home on Amazon Fresh. I don't know how the rest of them work really, but that's just really been working for me because I buy a lot on Amazon. Like, I'm a Amazon Prime member and everything. And I just thought, okay, why not try the food delivery, you know? H2O Beauty Oasis moisturizer. So, yeah, I applied that. I'm going to let it sink into my skin for a bit. Yeah, then what I like to do after I apply the moisturizer, photo finish primer water. So I'm going to let it soak into my skin for a little bit, just because, I mean, I literally drenched my face in this, and I love this stuff. Now, I don't know if this is going to be too light for me, because I did buy it online again, and I need to stop buying this foundation online. And the worst thing is I throw away the packaging. Shade 190. Maybe it will. Always use bronzer, extra bronzer. Definitely not going to work in the summer. Use the Equal Tools sponge. I just want to show you guys how ripped up and beat up it looks. It looks really old, and it's just like not even a month old, or a month old maybe the most. But yeah, now I have to hand it to Morphe. Their sponge is really good, but it's dirty because I use it so much. That and my beauty blender. And I don't wash it any differently from my other sponges. I mean, I do the same thing. And I really love this It Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. It's quickly became my new favorite, and I'm always reaching for this one. I already went ahead and did both eyebrows. Now, I was doing one eyebrow and then it stopped recording, but I was thinking I'm just going to do a video on how I do my eyebrows now, so maybe that would be better. So yeah, now I'm going to move on to my eyes. So as always, I'm going to prep my eyes with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Now I'm going to use the Marvelous Mauve eyeshadow palette, and I don't know, I'm just going to take this one first, and I'll put it into my crease. So I'm going to take this color first. I believe it's called Fluffy. This one. So now I'm going to take this color right here, which is Rosy. So I'm just going to put it a little bit lower into my crease. And I'm using a smaller blending brush This is the MAC 217, whereas the other one was the Sigma E35, which is a larger blending brush. Now I'm taking the color in the middle, which is called Wishy Washy. And I'm just taking it back and forth to the outer part and outer half of the lid. Just stamping it on basically. So now I'm taking this shade right here, which is called Spaced Out. And then on top of that, I'm going to apply a little bit to the very outer corner of this color, which is called Wine Stain. And then I can take it in just a little bit. Now I'm going to cut the crease, and to be honest, I don't like how far up I took it, but oh well, there's nothing I can really do at this point. So yeah, I'm now going to take some concealer, begin to define the half of the crease and the lid up into the crease. Okay, so now that I have that set, now I'm taking this color in Fluffy, which is a really light pale pink. I'm taking the brush that it came with, the palette, and I'm taking the pointy side. I'm going to take the colors I applied on the outer part of the eye and just like kind of re-intensify this area. Okay, so now I'm taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metals glitter liner in the shade Grind, and I love this. It's like a pink with like reflex of like blue and purple and like a brighter pink. It's just really pretty. And I'm going to draw a line where the cut crease ends. I'm going to drag it slowly. And now for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take these three colors in the order that they are in. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is create like a purpley plum wing using a liquid lipstick, and this is by Kat Von D in the shade Love, L-U-V. So yeah, I'm just going to do that on the other side. I did kind of trace it out with the pencil a bit, and now I'm going in with the liquid. So I'm using a angled liner brush. Alright, so now for my lips, I'm also going to be using a Dose of Colors lipstick. This is the liquid lipstick in Stone. Yeah, this is what I'm going to use. The fact that I like the eyeshadows so much just really got me into wanting to try more stuff. These smell so good. They remind me of like vanilla cake batter. That looks so pretty. Alright, so this is the final makeup look. I really like how this turned out. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial using the Marvelous Mauves palette by Dose of Colors. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the time you take out of your day to watch my videos. Thank you guys so much, and yeah, have a great day and rest of the week. Bye!